On the night of September the 1st, 1859, telegraph machines turned on the people using them. Keys spat sparks, paper caught fire on the desks, and outside the sky glowed blood red, bright enough to read a book by, as far south as Cuba. This was the most powerful solar storm in recorded history. And the most frightening part isn't what it did back then. It's a 9-day window in 2012 that almost no one knows about. Stay with me. This was the Carrington Event. To understand it, you have to look 93 million miles up, at the sun. The sun isn't a calm ball of fire. It's a roiling knot of magnetic fields. And now and then, it hurls billions of tons of charged particles into space. Scientists call it a coronal mass ejection. On September 1st, 1859, astronomer Richard Carrington was sketching sunspots when he saw a blinding white flash no one had ever recorded. He didn't know he was watching the trigger of a shot already racing toward Earth. A storm like this usually takes 3 or 4 days to reach us. This one came in 17 hours. When it hit Earth's magnetic field, it didn't just rattle it, it cracked it open and set the whole sky on fire. Auroras that normally hug the poles blazed over Rome, Hawaii, and Colombia. In the Rockies, gold miners woke at midnight and started cooking breakfast, certain that dawn had come. The only electric technology on Earth was the telegraph, and it went berserk. Operators were shocked. Poles threw sparks. Some cut their batteries out completely, and the lines kept running, powered by the storm itself. In 1859, the damage was burnt paper. But what happens if it hits today? In a world built on satellites, power grids, and the internet? The same storm now would overload the giant transformers that run our grid. And those take months to replace. No power, no water, no internet, no banks, possibly across whole continents at once. One analysis put the damage to the United States alone as up to $3 trillion. And it wouldn't stop at the lights. Newer studies estimate a long blackout could cut global crop yields by nearly half. This is not a hypothetical. In July 2012, a solar storm just as powerful as 1859 erupted from the sun and tore straight across Earth's orbit. We had passed through that exact spot only 9 days earlier. 9 days stood between us and the dark. In May 2024, a far weaker storm still pushed the northern lights as far south as Florida and Mexico. The sun is near the peak of its cycle right now. It is in every sense loading the next shot. The Carrington Event wasn't the end of the world. It was a rehearsal watched by people who couldn't yet be hurt by it. The question isn't whether it happens again, it's whether we'll be ready when it does. For more moments where science and history almost rewrote everything, subscribe.